Hello, everyone. If you're planning to build a career as a Java Backend Developer, preparing for technical interviews, or moving into enterprise application development, then this Spring Boot Masterclass has been designed for you. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the complete course roadmap, explain what you'll learn during this 12-week program, and show you how the course gradually builds your skills from the fundamentals of Spring, all the way to modern topics like Spring AI. Let's get started. Today, Spring Boot has become the standard framework for enterprise Java development. Whether you're building REST APIs, developing microservices, deploying cloud applications, or integrating AI capabilities into business applications, Spring Boot is at the center of modern backend development. Instead of spending time on complex project configuration, you'll focus on solving real business problems and writing clean, maintainable code. That's exactly why Spring Boot continues to be one of the most in-demand skills for Java developers. This course is designed for 3 different groups of learners. First, working professionals who want to move into Java backend development or transition to Spring Boot-based projects. Second, developers who already work with Spring Boot but want stronger fundamentals, cleaner coding practices, and better interview preparation. And finally, college students and fresh graduates who want to become industry-ready before starting their professional careers. If you belong to any of these groups, this course will provide a structured learning path that combines concepts with practical development. The course follows a carefully planned learning journey. We begin by understanding the Spring ecosystem and its core concepts. Once the foundation is strong, we'll move into Spring Boot development, build REST APIs, work with databases using Spring Data JPA, secure applications, write automated tests, containerize applications with Docker, deploy them to AWS, and finally explore modern AI development using Spring AI. Every topic builds naturally on the previous one, making the learning process smooth and easy to follow. Before learning Spring Boot, it's important to understand how the Spring framework actually works. We'll begin with enterprise application architecture, the IOC container, dependency injection, bean lifecycle, bean scopes, and modern Java-based configuration. These concepts form the backbone of every Spring application, and they're frequently discussed during technical interviews. Once the fundamentals are clear, we'll start building Spring Boot applications from scratch. You'll learn how auto-configuration works, how starter dependencies simplify development, how profiles help manage multiple environments, and how Spring Boot handles configuration, logging, and application events. By the end of this section, you'll clearly understand not only how to build Spring Boot applications, but also why Spring Boot works the way it does. REST API development is one of the most important parts of this course. You'll build production-style APIs while learning request mapping, DTO design, validation, exception handling, pagination, and API versioning. The emphasis is on writing APIs that are clean, maintainable, and ready for real-world enterprise applications. Alongside REST development, you'll also master database programming with Spring Data JPA. We'll cover entity mapping, relationships, repositories, JPQL, transactions, and practical performance optimization techniques, including lazy loading and solving the well-known N+1 problem. These are exactly the skills required for building modern backend applications. No enterprise application is complete without proper security. We'll begin with the fundamentals of authentication and authorization and gradually build secure REST APIs using password encoding, JWT authentication, role-based access control, and Spring Security's filter chain. But writing code is only part of software development. You'll also learn how to verify that your applications work correctly through unit testing, mocking, integration testing, and mock MVC. By the end of this section, you'll know how to build applications that are not only functional, but also secure, reliable, and production-ready. As you become comfortable building REST APIs, it's also important to understand the broader web development ecosystem. We'll explore Spring MVC, the foundation on which Spring REST is built. You'll learn how requests are processed, how views are resolved, and how server-side web applications are developed using the Thymeleaf template engine. We'll also introduce GraphQL, a modern approach to building APIs. You'll understand GraphQL schemas, queries, mutations, and how GraphQL integrates seamlessly with Spring Boot. By the end of this section, you'll have exposure to both traditional web applications and modern API development, giving you a broader understanding of today's back-end technologies. Building an application is only part of the journey. The next step is learning how to deploy it. You'll begin by containerizing your Spring Boot applications with Docker. We'll cover images, containers, Docker files, Docker Compose, and practical techniques for creating production-ready builds. Once the application is running locally, we'll move to the cloud. You'll learn how to deploy Spring Boot applications on AWS EC2, configure security groups, deploy executable jar files, and run containerized applications in a real server environment. These are practical skills that employers expect from modern backend developers. One of the most exciting parts of this course is Spring AI. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of everyday software development, and Spring AI makes it easy to integrate those capabilities into Spring Boot applications. We'll begin with the fundamentals of large language models and then move into prompt engineering, chat client, structured output, tool calling, and retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. Most importantly, you'll learn these concepts by building working examples, not by simply discussing the theory. By the end of this module, you'll understand how modern AI features can be integrated into enterprise Java applications. Learning individual topics is important, but real confidence comes from bringing everything together into one complete application. That's exactly what you'll do in the Capstone Project. Instead of building isolated examples, you'll develop a complete enterprise application that combines REST APIs, security, validation, database integration, Docker, AWS Deployment, and Spring AI. This project not only reinforces everything you've learned, but also becomes an excellent addition to your portfolio. It's the closest experience to working on a real enterprise application. This is a completely instructor-led live program. Every major concept is explained through live coding, so you'll understand not only how something works, but also why it is designed that way. If you ever miss a session, or simply want to revise a topic, you'll have access to the recordings for 6 months. Interview preparation is built into the learning journey. Throughout the course, we'll discuss common interview questions, practical scenarios, coding practices, and the mistakes developers often make in real projects. To get the most from this program, you should already be comfortable with core Java fundamentals, including object-oriented programming, collections, exception handling, JDBC, SQL, and basic Maven usage. If you already know these topics, you'll be ready to make the most of this course from day one. If you're looking for a structured, practical, and industry-focused Spring Boot program, this course is designed for you. Whether you're preparing for your next career opportunity, planning to transition into back-end development, or starting your professional journey after college, you'll gain practical skills that are directly applicable in real projects. Over the duration of this program, you'll build a strong foundation, work with modern development tools, deploy applications to the cloud, integrate AI capabilities, and complete a comprehensive enterprise project through live coding. If this is the learning experience you're looking for, I'd be delighted to have you join the batch. You can find the complete batch schedule, registration details, and other information in the video description. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the live sessions. All the best, and happy learning.